most recently a couple of games due to a minor knee injury, but this is not good for Spurs fans.
Hopefully it's just contact, knee to knee. Yeah, it looked like a knee to knee right there.
Now watch the eyes.
I've been going through the motions, feel a little bit hopeless. Put a smile on my face, trying to cover my tracks, hoping nobody noticed. Help me make it through another day. Been complaining when I need to pray. Give me the words that I need to say, God, I still need